Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel Be Creative and Artistic. Planning your study timetable for class 9 and 10 is crucial for success. So here we have provided the best study timetable for students to prepare accordingly for their upcoming exams and succeed in their studies. So let's get started with the sample of the study timetable. Morning routine. 5:20 a.m. Wake up and finish your daily refreshment activities such as make bed, drink some water. It helps your body recover from its nighty dehydration. Fresh up and do some light stretches for greater amounts of energy and lot more. 6 a.m. to 7 a.m. early morning is the best time to memorize theory subjects. So study any subject with full focus. 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. break time. Fresh up, get dressed, eat a nutritious breakfast, check your backpack, grab lunch, make sure you have everything you need and leave for school. 8 a.m. to 3 p.m. is your school time. 3 p.m. to 4:30 p.m. when you reach home, fresh up, eat your lunch or snacks, check your phone, watch TV, chill and relax. 4:30 p.m. to 6 p.m. Prefer smart work over hard work. Complete your homework and assignments and focus on studying the subjects you find easy to you. And remember to take a 10-minute break to relax your mind during your study session. 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. Take a long break. Step out of the house, go for a walk or do some home workouts. Spend time with your family, check your phone, etc. 7 p.m. to 8:45 p.m. Start studying subjects such as maths or science. Give maximum time to these subjects and you can change the subject alternative days. And also you can practice previous year's questions too. 8:45 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. Have a light dinner and relax. 9:30 p.m. to 10:15 p.m. Revise the topics you have finished and check it out if something is missing today in your study. 10:15 p.m. Relax your mind and sleep. The timings and schedule in the video may not match your timings, so feel free to adjust and change the timings to fit your own schedule. I shared this timetable to provide you with an example of how to create one. So that's it all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, share and subscribe for more amazing tips and hacks. See you soon.